Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. Bauchi businessman Nuru Isa arrested for killing his wife Wasila over a Ramadan meal dispute on Saturday, 1st March. Nigerian police says argument over food proof for breaking fast led to the incident. The chairman of the council of Arewa traditional rulers in 17 southern state of Nigeria, Alhaji Haruna Mayasin Katsina, has passed away at the age of 125. Now move to Kaduna State. Church distributes food items to 1,000 Muslims in Chukun local government area of Kaduna State on Saturday. Now rising killing of people in Nigeria, citizens blame greed, unemployment, religious, traditional rulers for rise in ritual killing in the country. Now insecurity, bandit attack mining sites in Niger community and kill over 10 people in Niger State. Still in Niger State, men disguised as EFCC operatives kidnap over 10 people in hotel. Now move to Katsina State. Bandits have abducted 4 students from Paris quarters behind Dutselma University, Katsina State on Saturday morning. This update is brought to you by the News Chronicle. You can share your view in the comment sections. Like, comment, and share. Still on insecurity, bandits kidnap APC executives from Kauran Namoda on their way to Mafara, Zampara. Now move to Sokoto State. Bandits attack Sokoto community and abduct several people on Saturday morning. Now move to Borno State. Nigerian army kills top Boko Haram commander Aminu Khalid and rescued hostages in Goza local government area of Borno State on Sunday. Now, politics. APC stakeholders in Kaduna State have passed vote of confidence on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Governor Obasani of Kaduna State for their good leadership and pro-people policies. Now, sexual harassment. Be mindful of your actions. Former Senate President Abubakar Bukola Saraki tells Natasha and Akpabio. 2027 general elections. If you want to remove President Bola Ahmed Tinubu from power, you must work 23 hours and 50 minutes, says Daniel Bola to opposition parties. Now move to Zamfara State. AAC governorship candidates and PDP leaders defeated to APC in the states. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. You can also follow us in X, Facebook, like, comment, and share. Thank you and see you next.